Hello children, welcome to my channel Kids Cartoon Education. Today we are going to learn about traffic sign. Are you ready? Then let's begin. This is the sign of stop. This is the sign of no entry. This is the sign of give way. This is the sign of all motor vehicle prohibited. This is the sign of no motorcycles. This is the sign of no bicycles. This is the sign of no bullock cart. This is the sign of no heavy vehicles. This is the sign of one-way traffic. This is the sign of no left turn. This is the sign of no right turn. This is the sign of no overtaking. This is the sign of no U-turn. This is the sign of speed limit. This is the sign of weight limit. This is the sign of length limit. This is the sign of no parking. This is the sign of horn prohibited. This is the sign of left curve. This is the sign of right curve. This is the sign of traffic signal ahead. This is the sign of uneven road. This is the sign of narrow bridge. This is the sign of roundabout ahead. This is the sign of no pedestrian. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.